Thank you for taking the time to watch. My name's Doug. This is Doug's Open Classics. So this morning I'm on the way to North Weald car meet in Essex, organised by Steve from Steve Breakfast Club. He organises really good meets. Super nice guy. This time at this meet, it happens to be the 5th year anniversary. There's an anticipated 400 cars are going to be in attendance. Really excited to see what arrives, what's there. So I'm going to do some individual videos of some of the cars in attendance, which I'll load up separately. Then some videos of the whole meet in general. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hope you enjoy the walk around of the meet and see you soon. Thanks very much. Thank you for watching. I'm Doug. This is Doug's Opera Classics. Today I'm at North Weald car meet, brilliant meet, organised by Steve from Steve's Breakfast Club. There's a great section of cars here. I was particularly drawn to this Roland Garros 205. It's a great car with a great story behind it. Reece, the owner, has very kindly agreed to give us a brief rundown on what he's done to the car. So, I don't know, Reece, if you could let us know what you've done to it.
Yeah,
thank you.
Yeah, cheers, Doug. So this is my 205 Roland Garros. It's actually, interestingly, on its third engine. So all of this work was done when I bought it, but it did have a 1.4, then a 1.6, and now it's on the 2 litre from a Peugeot 306.
Oh, okay.
So it's on gas shocks and coilovers.
Very nice.
I think it's got a strengthened sort of rear beam from a 309. So yeah, I've had it for about a year, and I just saw it on Facebook and I thought that is perfect with those wheels and the stripe down the side. I know the previous owner did take it to the 24-hour Le Mans, so technically it has been there.
That's a testament to the car.
Yeah,
there and back,
exactly. It did. I thought that's enough for me.
Yeah.
But yeah, when I went down to Brighton to collect it, I remember my dad saying to me, "No, this isn't the one," and I was just so interested in it.
Yeah.
And
it's a rare car.
Yeah, and we done the deal. And we drove it to a petrol garage, and just to pump up the tyres a little bit, and then it wouldn't start. And I owned it for 5 minutes, and we were already stranded in the car park. Yeah. So we had to do a quick bump start, and then 2 hours back from Brighton. But since then, new starter motor, and it's been fine.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's just great fun. So analog to drive, great gear change, and it's great fun.
Great car, and great car, and even with all the mix of cars here, it's brilliant because there's not another one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. It's very unique. Yeah, very unique.
Brilliant work. Right, okay, brilliant. Thank you so much for that, Reece. I'm going to do a walk round of the car now. Hopefully I might ask Reece to open the bonnet. We can have a look at that. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And hopefully see you soon. Happy motoring. Thank you. What a great way to spend a Sunday morning that was. It was such a good turnout of cars. The people there are great. In fact, I spent most of the morning, I'm afraid, just walking around looking at other people's cars and chatting rather than filming. Which is, to be honest, the reason I go to these events, just to appreciate other people's cars. So I have loaded up what I did film. There's some amazing cars there. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it for that, and share the channel with anyone who you think might be interested. Thank you for Steve of Steve's Breakfast Meets for organising such a great event. I will hopefully see you all soon. In the meantime, happy motoring and keep safe. Thank you, all the best.